I do appreciate it, and there's other persons out there that really in need of dental. Dental is expensive, right? So there's persons around the community that really in need of dental care.
I thank you, Jaja Foundation, for doing this for all of us. I really appreciate it.
Thank you very much to Jaja Foundation and all the staff that are here today. We do appreciate you and thank you guys.
My name is Elaine Allen Bradley, and I'm a retired nurse practitioner, and I work with the Jaja Foundation. I'm also president of the Negril Chamber and on the executive board for TPDCA. Well, the health fair is excellent and it's so good for our community, and we have been doing dentals today and other stuff, like I don't know if they've done any pap smears today, but that was the intention, and I think it's working brilliantly. This container is the first time it's getting a good use. COVID prevented us from doing our dentals and our other gynae for women, and I'm telling you, today it's been hectic getting it organized, but once it was organized, it worked a dream. And really the efficiency of the staff that came down from the States, my heart goes out to them, because a lot of these professionals, doctors, nurses that have come down, they've given their time up from their 2 holidays, pay their own fare, and down here doing community service. Negril has not had a dental facility since Ivan, so it must be some 20 years almost. So this is, and we are oversubscribed because everybody wants to see the dentist, and as you know, private dental service is very expensive, and this is all free. So I thank the team very much, and even though it was a bit of coordinating with the professional team, it seems seamless. Jaja has been such a mainstay within the voluntary services in Jamaica on a whole, but especially in the western part, because they are here today, tomorrow they have gone to Little London. So I think, and I'm sure if you talk to any of our community members, how grateful they are for this free service that Jaja Foundation is providing. Yes, and continue please to help us to make our community and our people better and healthier